Welcome to our e-tutorial on how to access electronic books as FAU associates. The online catalog of the University Library is your research tool for printed books and journals, as well as electronic resources such as ebooks. To start your ebook search, you still need to select a pickup location to get to the advanced search screen. Here is an example. The list of results indicates which items are available electronically by the add icon. On the right-hand side of the catalog, you are shown the IP address you are currently using, as well as information about your current access rights. If you are using an internet workstation on campus, you'll be taken to the full-text version of the publisher's website by clicking the blue full-text button. Here you can read chapters or entire books and in most cases also download sections of the full text. If you are working from home or on a mobile device, you will need to connect to the university network via a VPN client before you can access the full range of electronic resources. Please make sure you are connected to the university network via a VPN program whenever you want to access licensed electronic books or journals. If you don't have this software installed yet, don't worry, we will show you how to download and install it. On the library homepage, you can click on Searching followed by Access to Electronic Resources to get to the IT Services website. Here you will find instructions and software for several operating systems. Choose the options suitable for you and enter your IDM login details to download the program. Click on the icon at the bottom right of your screen to open the program and connect to the university network. This will grant you full access to licensed material. You can check whether you are connected to the university network by scrolling down to the bottom of our homepage. Feel free to contact our online support if you have any further questions or concerns.